Bobcat equipment, as far as the equipment that we make that works with the snow and ice materials, is a multitude of small loaders, compact track loaders, tractors. We have utility vehicles as well. So a large portion of our equipment is utilized to work with snow and ice and in those environments, but also with all the attachments that we have that is utilized as well. So we have snow plows, snow blowers, angle brooms, blades, and so forth. So there's numerous different products that we have that help out in the snow and ice removal from a municipality to a farm environment. So over the years, as far as the transition of equipment and the way that snow removal and ice is done, it has shifted, it's changed from utilizing large loaders and large push equipment to the point where the smaller equipment is becoming better. And then the equipment's also improved now to have heat and cabs and so forth, where in the past you're out in the environment. So from a labor standpoint, the products today are utilizing the labor well. You need labor to obviously operate them, but it's actually more efficient for the people that are doing the jobs. And so they're getting the snow and the removal and the icing done faster, more efficient, more comfortable for the operators with the labor. With Bobcat, as far as the future and new exciting things, there are things that we're working on that are very exciting in the technology. We're constantly in innovation. We've got a full innovation group that's working on those things. And that's where the electric side of the business is starting to grow. We're out there now with electric loaders, electric excavators, and electric mowers. The electrification is one exciting thing, but also the technologies that our innovation group is working on is quite exciting.